what's going on, guys? It's Larry here for Leoy Systems. Another little rant, I guess. Seems to be a trend that I'm doing now, but it's fine. We'll keep it going. Apologize for the sunlight, sun setting, and it's really bright out, which is awesome. But I heard a saying, and if you follow me, you've seen me write it down. It says, terrible things get replaced, but mediocre things tend to stick around. Think about that in business, in your particular business. Whether you own a health club, a training studio, a CrossFit box, yoga studio, massage therapy, any service-based business, you could think of it this way. The terrible things. What could be the terrible things in your business? Sales. Salespeople. You could have really, really bad salespeople that aren't closing. They aren't prospecting. They're not bringing in leads. They're not doing anything. That's terrible. You could have terrible trainers who horrible with people, just, very complacent in what they do. Or you get the ones that think that they're the best in the world. And, oh, look, I got my training certification 6 months ago and I know everything there is to know about fitness. We've all heard those. What else could be terrible? Group X, any of your employees, pretty much, at baseline. Those are your terrible things as far as right off the bat, things that we can see. But what about your marketing? What about your communication? What about your ability as a business owner to reach out and be creative on that aspect, but at the same time, build your business even more? And one of my favorite words is build your community. Well, that's also something that could just be labeled as terrible. But because there is no exact measurement for that, because there is no exact metric for your own creativity and personal belief, listen, you could be the greatest, fitness professional in the world. Running a business isn't your thing. You're not as good as that than you are at the business of fitness. So let me get that straight. You're not good at the business side, but you're good at the fitness health side of the business, I should say. Not to get confused. Very easy. So those things, if you're just skating by, hey, every now and again I throw out an ad or I post some social media stuff that blows up. We get 1 or 2 new members, we got a lot of word of mouth, et cetera, but that's all it is, then that's your mediocre. And that is what's going to stay with you. And that's what you're going to continue to do. And your business is not going to elevate as quickly and as forcefully as you want. It's mediocre. So it's going to stay around, and yeah, you'll stay around. You'll do fine. Your bills will be paid. Your employees will be paid. You'll take home a little bit of money, but you could be doing so much better. And I'm not talking about a pushy sales script about bombarding people with sales stuff, because that is I can't stand that. And it really irks me that gyms focus on sales first before service. That's a whole other topic. But anyway, terrible things will go away, but mediocre things will stick around. So that's the next step in your business. Find out the things that are terrible and get rid of them. And then look at the mediocre things. Basically, the ones that are just, it works, could be better, but it still works. That stuff needs to be adjusted, needs to be looked at, and pretty much needs to be changed, because mediocre is good. Because, you'll stay afloat, you'll survive, but you could be better. There's always room for improvement. All right? I think that's enough for today. Have yourself a great day, guys. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, too. Starting up my YouTube channel again, and I'd really appreciate the support. If you're getting some good information from here, then by all means, I appreciate that, and I appreciate you guys. Alrighty? Have yourself a great day.